Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and I'm going to explain all the previous year question of JEE, okay? And this session is going to be very important for all those students who are preparing for JEE 2027, okay? So I starts from determinant chapter and I'm going to take first question which is asked in JEE Main online 2018, okay? So be concentrate. Here given matrix is fx, given determinant is fx is equal to cos x x1 2 sin x x square 2x tan x x and 1, okay, and you have to find limit x tends to 0 f dash x upon x, okay. So you all know that how to expand the determinant of 3 cross 3 order. So fx is equal to, just expand this determinant, okay. So delete first row and first column, you left as 2 cross 2 determinant, and this will be x square minus 2x square minus x 2 sin x minus 2x tan x, right, plus 1 2x sin x minus x square tan x, okay. Just simplify this statement. Cos x minus x square minus 2x sin x plus 2x square tan x plus 2x sin x minus x square tan x, right. Again fx is equal to minus x square cos x, this cancelled by this and you left as 2x square tan x minus x square tan x, right. Now this is your fx, okay, and your purpose is to find f dash x upon x, okay. So you got fx, just you have to differentiate at once time, okay. So f dash x is equal to 2x tan x minus cos x, okay, plus x square sec square x plus the sin x, right. This is your f dash x. Now what is f dash x upon x? This is equal to 2x tan x minus cos x plus x square sec square x plus the sin x, okay, upon x, right. Now f dash x upon x is equal to 2 tan x minus cos x, just you have to simplify, right, plus x sec square x plus sin x, right. Now limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0, f dash x upon x is equal to 2 tan 0 means 0 minus 1 plus 0. So this is equal to 2 into minus 1 and this is equal to minus 2, right. So what's your answer? This determinant is exist when exist and is equal to minus 2, okay. The value of this value is minus 2 and exist, so your correct answer will be option A. So thanks for this. Hello students, this is a question which is asked in JEE Main online 2018, okay. So solution will be, given system of linear equation, given system of linear equation is given equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Second one is 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3. And the third equation is 3x plus 2y plus kz is equal to 4. Okay. And you all know that if every time when question is asking about the unique solution, then you have to take the determinant not equal to 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1 and k. Right? This is not equal to 0. Why? Because b is not equal to 0. This is the condition for unique solution. Right? Now, just you have to expand this 3 cross 3 order determinant. You got k plus 2 minus 2k plus 3 plus 1 not equal to 0, and this implies that k plus 2 minus 2k minus 3 plus 1 not equal to 0. This implies that k minus 1 plus 1 not equal to 0. This implies that minus k not equal to 0, and this is equal to k not equal to 0. Okay, so here S be the set of all real values of k, means we have to find S, and S is equal to k belongs to R minus 0. This is equal to S. Okay, k must be non-zero. Okay, so your answer will be option B, right? Hello students, this question asked in JEE Main Online 2018. Okay, so what's the question? The number of values of k for which the system of linear equations this and this has a no solution. Okay, no solution. So let us take questions. Equations are k plus 2 x plus 10y is equal to k and kx plus k plus 3 y is equal to k minus 1. This is the given equation. Okay, and these equation can be rewritten in the form of rewritten as ax is equal to b, means you have to write this equation in a matrix form. Okay, so you have to do like that: k plus 2 upon k upon not upon 10 and k plus 3 xy, this is equal to k and k minus 1, right? Now take for no solution, for no solution, determinant of a is equal to 0, right? This implies that k plus 2, k, 10 and k plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Take cross multiply k plus 2, k plus 3 minus 10k is equal to 0. This implies that k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now factorize this equation, you got k minus 2 and k minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that k is equal to 2 and 3. This is the obtained value of k, right? Now you have to check, if you put the value of k is equal to 2 in the given equation, then what's the condition arises? Okay, so put for k is equal to 2, equation is 4x plus 10y is equal to 2, and the next equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, right? Now check the ratio: 4 by 2 and 10 by 2 and 2 by 1. This is equal to 2, sorry, 10 by 5. This is equal to 2 and this is equal to 2. Okay, so this implies that 2 equals to 2 equals to 2. So this is the condition of infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution. Now for k is equal to 3, put the value of k is equal to 3 in the given equation. You got 5x plus 10y is equal to 3 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 2. Just take the ratio for deciding no solution, infinite solution or unique solution. So this is equal to 5 by 3, this is equal to 10 by 6 and this is equal to 3 by 2. So 5 by 3, this is also 5 by 3. Okay, so this implies that 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. And this is the condition for no solution. Okay. So for k, if k is equal to 3, k is equal to 3, then you got no solution, right? So the answer is k is equal to 3. The number of values of k means not number of values of k will be 1 only. Okay, and here question, this is not asking about the value of k, this is asking about the number of values of k. Okay, so number of values of k is 1 for no solution. Okay, for no solution the value of k is equal to 3 and this is only one number, not two number. Okay, so that's why answer C is the correct option. If a question is asking about what is the value of k, then you can say that the answer is option B. But here the question is number of values of k, that's why we can say that only one. Okay,